The narrative for Independence Day is we fought for our freedom. The narrative for Juneteenth is we were granted our freedom. We were set free. Have you ever heard anything about England setting America free? No. So Gullah Wars never happened. Black soldiers didn't happen. Denmark Vesey's, the Catos, the Nat Turners of the world, insurrections, none of that happened. You just decided to set us free. This Juneteenth, my message to you is be ungrateful. Do not give people gratitude for doing the least to offset having done the most to you. So give me liberty or give me death, but I choose life. Who's with me?